In this question from the chapter polynomial, it says if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial of the form x square plus ax plus b is negative of the other, then, and we have these options, that is no linear term, constant term is negative, or no linear term, constant term is positive, have linear term and constant term is negative, and can have linear term but constant term is positive. Now, first thing that we'll do here is to write down the term here. We can see that the linear term is a, constant term is b, and the coefficient of x square is 1. Now, using this relation that one of the zeros is negative of the other, can we say that if I say alpha and beta are the two zeros, we can say that alpha is equal to negative of the other, that is beta. And on transposing negative alpha to the left hand side, it should become alpha plus beta equals 0. And what we know, this is sum of the zeros, right? Sum of the zeros is what? It is equal to the negative coefficient of linear term divided by coefficient of square term. So the negative coefficient of linear term, negative is minus, linear term is what? A, right? So this is minus a equal to 0, or from here we can say that a equals 0. So one thing is now clear, that here the linear term is 0. That means no linear term. We can say that it has no linear term. So other two are not correct. Now, but then we also have to find out the constant term. For constant term, we can use this product of the zeros is constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So it is b over 1. B over 1 is what? B only. Now from here, if I substitute alpha as negative beta, what I'll get? Replacing this alpha with negative beta, so we get negative beta into beta, or we may say that negative beta square, make sure this is minus outside, right, is equal to beta, is equal to b. Now let's understand this part. We know that square of any real number is either 0 or positive. Now if this is positive, then negative of a positive term is negative. So overall on the left hand side we can say it is negative. So b is negative. Well, there is another condition also, that beta can be 0, but over here we can see that this is not 0. So b is negative. We concluded that b is negative here, and b is what? B, you can see from here, is the constant term, and the constant term is negative. I can see in the first option, that is constant term is negative. So the correct answer will be option A. That is, the first one is correct.